I've got some, what are we looking at here? It's castle furniture, you know, it's palace furniture.
Do you want it on the line or?
It'll be fine. I don't think it's a problem.
Mark there.
You want on this straight mark here?
On that straight mark there, I'll do the same with this one.
Oh yeah, I'm on it.
There. Here. Is that anywhere near square? Very near square.
That is really near square.
Good.
Okay, good news.
Exactly. You know, when you think of the size of the line, just one screw on each side.
Yeah. Okay. So you can drill those.
Yeah. So that's one plank, two planks. So it's halfway down the third plank.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Right on.
Very good. Okay, good. We're good.
Always good to double check these things.
More aerodynamic.
The planking came from a log I found on the beach. So there's all those stairs, and I was down there one day walking the dog, and I saw this log on the beach, beautiful log. And then I looked at it closer, and I think that's yellow cedar. Nice 10-foot long yellow cedar log, about 3 feet in diameter, with the core rotted out of it. And I thought, that's some nice wood. As you could see, it was totally clear. So I got some of the young fellows in my neighborhood to help me, and we split the log into chunks, like 5 sections, and so we could carry them up, because it weighed, 600-700 pounds, this log. And then we packed them up, and then I took it out to the boatyard at Shelter Island and had it milled up, and it's been sitting in my shed out there for the last 4 or 5 years, drying, and then we just finished it off to that size, and so we got all this beautiful wood
Oh, that's
out of a log that we found on the beach, which I thought was fantastic.
So nice.
And I always thought, I'll build a tender out of that. And finally, we reached the point where we're building a tender out of it.
4 or 5 years, so it's, a quarter of the way through its season.
Yeah, it's a quarter of the way through the season.
Yeah, right.
The rest of it'll season on the boat.
Are you on the gunwale or are you up?
Should be on.
Right down the gun, but you don't need to worry about that forward end.
It's just
as long as we get these last 3 molds or so, we're good, I think. There we go. Okay. Beauty. You got every freaking station and this and that.
This one's kind of looking odd.
Good. Come on, this one. It's good.
So that's on the forward end of that building frame.
Yeah. And then this is the top of it.
Because if the gloves are there, it's got to protect your hands.
It is, it's great.
The Herreshoff Manufacturing Company, Francis Herreshoff's dad's company, old Captain Nat, but they would produce an America's Cup race boat, like 120-foot or race boat, in a matter of like 2 months.
Oh,
They
yeah.
would just start to finish, they would design it and they would just build it. They'd have 200 guys in the shop, everybody knew exactly what they were doing. They'd build all the rigging, they cut the sails, everything. And they could produce a boat so quickly in a shop like that. Yeah. Yes, that's a good point.
Getting there.
So we can take this out again. Yeah, yacht racing.
Here
Sport of
is.
kings.